So I'm going to be your teacher for today, and I'm going to be pleased. I'm very pleased to be with you. She told me amazing stories about this classroom. She told me that you are well behaved, that you are very smart, and that you pick up very easily to the concepts. Is that right? Yes? Okay, so I have great expectations today. Okay, ready? Todos cantando aquí y luego hacemos una fila. Ready? Go. Not my symbols do I do. Not my symbols do I do. Not my symbols do I do. All my Susie bow. Not my symbols do I do. Not my symbols do I do. Not my symbols do I do. All my Susie bow. Here comes a bluebird through my window. Hey, doodly, doodly, hey, hey, hey. Take a little partner, floating in the garden. Hey, doodly, doodly, hey, hey, hey. Get left, right. One more time. Here we go. Not the symbols do I do. Not the symbols do I do. Not the symbols do I do. Hello, Susie doll. Not the symbols do I do. Not the symbols do I do. Not the symbols do I do. Hello, Susie doll. Here comes a bluebird through my window. Hey, doodly, doodly, hey, hey, hey. Take a little partner, jumping in the garden. Hey, doodly, doodly, hey, hey, hey. Great job. Now, wow, wow, wow. Who's the turtle? Little Tommy Tucker's up. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Mi. Sol, do, sol, la, sol, mi, do. Mi, re, do. One more time. Do, do, do. Mi. Sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do. Mi, re, do. Da, da, da. Da, da, di, da. Da, di, da, di, da, di, da. Da, da, da. Everywhere we go. Da, da, da. Da, da, di, da. Da, di, da, di, da, di, da. Da, da, da. Last time. Da, da, da. Da, da, di, da. Da, di, da, di, da, di, da. Da, da, da. Remember, stand up. This song. Here comes a bluebird through my window. Hey, doodly, doodly, hey, hey, hey. Maybe let's sing gonna tap just the one first phrase. Here we go.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
That's it, first phrase. Rachel, how many beats did we tap?
8.
8. Let's check. Here we go. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? 8 beats. Tell me your name, sweetie. Alessandra. In which beats do we have strong beats? First one. And tell me your name. Paco. Are we missing any other one?
Yeah, that one.
Which one? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When is the first one that is
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 there?
5 there. Okay, I'm gonna be careful. I don't like that noise either. So we have 2 strong beats over here on that phrase. Okay, we are gonna show it like this. Strong, weak, weak, weak. Strong, weak, weak, weak.
Strong, weak, weak, weak. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Great, so now it's strong and weak. Ready? Just the first phrase. Here we go.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
I want to clap. I want to clap on those, on the strongs. Ready? Go.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Yes, there you go. Okay, so I want you to go and pick up the Legos. Go, please. Okay, we're gonna turn it down. You go and help them. Okay. No los recantan todavía, pónganlos ahí. Thank you. ¿Saben lo que vamos a hacer? Rachel, todavía no. Escuchen. ¿Me están oyendo? ¿Ponen atención? Dije que lo tenemos. Lo que vamos a hacer es que me van a demostrar ustedes cómo se ve el strong and weak con esto. ¿Ok? ¿Sí? Ok. Entonces, agarren cada quien los que necesiten. Hagan uno los girls y otro los boys. Váyanse para allá, boys. Quédense la canasta por allá y háganlo por allá. Solamente esa frase. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Háganlo aquí.
All the ones that are
Los weak and strong.
los amarillos y blancos. No, los blancos. Pero hay que sacar todos.
¿Listos? Quiero los beats. ¿Cómo se ve un beat que es strong y otro beat que se ve weak? Y voy a contar hasta un minuto. Un minuto.
Un minuto para ganar.
1, 2, 3. Corre tiempo.
Los de cuatro son los de confe. Los de
Sí. Talentos los boys, a ver las girls.
Una sola.
Talentos las girls.
Teacher, we have to do all the girls one.
Yes.
Okay. The black one is at the R. No. It's only the first phrase.
Just the first phrase.
There, these ones. We need these ones. Why? Are you sleeping? Es a la quinta, es a la quinta. So, can I? Finish. 1 minute.
one phrase, right? Okay, are you ready to sing for me?
1 minute.
Okay, ready? Point at your presentation.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Now, it's okay that you know the song, but how about singing strong and weak?
The 104?
Like we have to sing strong on strong, and we have to sing weak.
Oh, I know. No, teacher, I know. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Ready? Ready? Go.
Are you sleeping?
Ready? Go.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
Great. Now you, girls, are you ready to sing for me? Can we take the plato and take pictures? Ajá. Lo puedes quitar. Ah, no, porque vas a dejar de grabar. Okay. Ready? Ready? Here we go.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
Now, are there all strong beats? Are you sleepy? Or are there all weak? Are you sleepy? No?
No.
We have strong and weak. So let's sing it that way. Ready? Go.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
Everyone singing strong and weak. Ready? Go.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
Great job. Just leave him over here. Over here. Put him over here. I'm going to take a picture of it later on. Put it over there. Guys, put him over there so we can take a picture later. Okay? Okay, just put it back. Don't worry. Okay, put it over here. Put it over here. And then put it back. Yeah, put it back. Over there. Ya, sweet girls. Mijito, que me ayudes a ponerlos allá. A él le pedí.
Yo pongo los otros.
Ok, ponlos allá.
Pero esos no.
No, esos no, les voy a tomar una foto. Ahora escúchenme. Todos mirando acá. Are you sleepy? Well, when they're strong and weak. In music, strong, we call it accent. We call it accent. Strong, we call it accent in music. Okay? And to show strong and weak, to show an accent in music, what we do is conduct. And this is the way that we conduct. We do down, in, out, up. Down, in, out, up. Down, in, out, up. Okay, you want to show us?
Yes.
Okay, here we here. You're going to be conductor and everyone else will sing. Here we go.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Great, one more. You sweetie, get over here. And everyone is going to sing it. But now, this time, whenever she goes like this, down, we sing louder, stronger. And whenever she's not there, we sing normal. Okay? Ready? Go.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Rachel, you want to Make a circle. Here. Okay. I have a new game for you. And this game, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna like it a lot.
That game is my turn.
Pass 2 windows, tiny o. Pass 3 windows, tiny o. Jingle in the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle in the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle in the window, tiny o. Okay, you're team 1, you're team 2, okay?
Yes,
Go.
ma'am.
Pass 1 window, tiny o. Pass 2 windows, tiny. Everyone. Pass 3 windows, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Now, here. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny, tiny o. Tiny o. Tiny o. One more time. Tiny o. Tiny o. Quickly. Tiny o. Tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o. Tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Okay, all the tiny o's on that part are pat, clap, and then do this, okay? Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Okay, now let's make a circle over here. Circle, circle, I don't see a circle. This is kind of a square, triangle, everything but a circle. It's not a circle yet. Over here. Yes. Jacobo, a little bit. Yeah. Okay. We are gonna march. Here we go. Pass 1 window, tiny o. Pass 3 windows, tiny o. Pass 3 windows, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Okay, so I'm gonna make numbers. 1, say
1,
2,
2,
1,
1,
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, number 1. Number 2. 1 step forward. Number 2. Number 2. 1 step forward. Okay.
number 2.
Okay. Now, yes, we need to more space over here. Okay, and then face your partner. Okay, you have a circle there. Face your partner. Yes. Here. Okay. Here. Now we're gonna do the tiny o. Ready? Go. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle at the window, tiny o. Okay, let's march. Today we're gonna just do the first part of the game, and this is the first part. Later on, what we're gonna do is make the full game, which is very, very, very fun.
Yes.
But we need to master this part, okay? Here we go. Pass 1 window, tiny o. Pass 2 windows, tiny o. Pass 3 windows, tiny o. Jingle the windows, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle the windows, tiny o. Tiny o, tiny o. Jingle the windows, tiny o. Great job. Sit down. today we learn about accent. Okay, an accent means strong. It's a strong beat. We learn how to conduct strong beats or accents. Remember how we do it? Ready? Go. In, down. Ready? Go. Down, in, out, out. Down, in, out, out. Yes. And we learn a new game, which by the way is a new song too. And it is Pass one window, patio. Pass two windows, patio. Pass three windows, patio. Jingle on the window, patio. Patio, patio. Jingle on the window, patio. Patio, patio. Jingle on the window, patio. Okay, let's line up, and on Monday I will have the little surprise for you ready at the cafeteria, okay? Line up, thank you.